All right, everybody, today we're going to work on how to create a buyer presentation using designs inside of Command. So once you're logged into Command, we're going to hit designs and we're going to go to our design template. And we're going to hit the plus sign and we're going to choose print because we're making this as if we're going to do it in person. You still have the ability to put it on an iPad or on a laptop and do it digitally if you'd like. But the way to find it is if you go into print. When we do get there, we're going to hide everything and we're going to go to buyer. And then inside of buyer is buyer presentation. And we're going to see two different options. They're called Your Guide to Homeownership. They are the same content. However, they just look a little different. So we can go with the modern one or the classic one. Either one is fine. And when we do that, we're going to hit use on the one we want to work on. And it's going to open up the option for us now to customize. So what you'll see here, we start out with a blank page, and then on the left side, you're going to see all the different pages that are available to you to add in here. You do not have to use all of them. You can use as many or as little of these as you want. What I would suggest is get in here and start tackling these things one at a time and pick a couple of pages that may work for you. So what you need to do is, ideally, you're going to pick some kind of a cover page, get that added in. Then we're going to scroll down some more and see what other options we do have. So maybe we want to throw a table of contents in there for our buyer. Maybe we want to throw in a little promotion for our app so that we can get them using the app instead of using some of the other competitors' apps. You can scroll down a little more, find out what their wish list is. There's a couple different slides on that. What they want to look for in a certain neighborhood. Check out some of the neighborhood insights. So this uses some of our technology to throw into the presentation, which is cool. A little step-by-step process on how to buy a home. There's lots of great options. I would suggest looking through each one of them and seeing which one fits your personality and your presentation style. Maybe talk a little bit about financing. And then when we're done with that, what's cool is we can see down here how many we have. So there's 6 pages. We can flip back and forth between those pages. So we can go on to edit any one of these that we want. We can also reorder them, so we can pop them all up at a time. And if we want to put the financing before buying a home and maybe put the app at the end, we have the ability to do that. And then on every one of these pages, we also have the ability to customize these things and edit them. So if we want to call this something different, we can actually pop in there and just call it maybe whatever, make your offer, and we can take out a different piece. We can take out the negotiating terms. So we can customize this to exactly who we are and exactly our presentation style. At the end, when you're totally done, you want to name this. Remember, your presentation is going to be a living, breathing thing that you do get to work on over and over again and continue to edit as it goes. So save this as a buying presentation or a buyer presentation. If you want to download it, JPEG and PNG will be for social media. PDF will be for print, or if you want to flip through it on an iPad. If you hit done, the good thing is that you can save it, and then it's going to go into your template, so you have this forever and you can keep working on it. It may be overwhelming trying to attack this all at once, but what I would suggest doing is get it started, make sure you have it up and running, and then you can always go in here in designs. It'll bring you to design templates, and then you can go back and forth and continue to edit and work on these things as time goes on. So pick one project per day or one page per day and begin attacking these things, and before you know it, you're going to have a great listing presentation, a great buyer presentation that you can go back and forth and edit as many times as you want and add in as many different pages as you want. So I hope this helped. If you liked it, make sure you hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so that every time I do a new video, you see it. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks a lot.